Christmas in Florida.
Yes, it is.
I'm Dino.
And I'm Cheryl.
And we're so excited that we're bringing our Christmas extravaganza here in Florida at Calvary Assembly in Winter Park.
Yes, and we would like to share our gift with you.
Yes.
We have all seats, $10.
No kidding,
So
that's
you can
great.
bring your children and your family,
Yes.
bring all of your friends, and join us right here.
And we've got children in our show, dancers, singers, costumes, and
Yes.
it's a show you must not miss this Christmas season. We're excited to be in this area. I also present the true meaning of Christmas. That's what Christmas is all about. It really is. So please come see us. $10, really?
$10.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's amazing, isn't
We
it?
want because we want everybody to come.
Yes,
For sure.
we'd like all
State-of-the-art
of you to come.
theater actually here. It's like a beautiful theater. Lots of seats. So please call right now. The number's on the screen. Call us, and we'd love to see you here. We love you. We love you
God
very
bless
much.
you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.